Next, we have product mix decisions. Which products do you want to sell and in what quantities? You want to sell the product that provides the highest contribution margin per unit of whatever your constraining resource is. So if you have to make a choice between two products and they share, let's say, factory space, you want the product that's going to get you the highest contribution in regards to using that factory space. Whatever is forcing you to make that decision, essentially. An example, Collins sells deluxe and regular pens and pencils. They use the same machine, so you're constrained by capacity, machine capacity, and your machine capacity is 3,600 hours per month. We know the contribution margin per unit, and we know the number of hours of machine time each pen and pencil set requires, and because the deluxe set has special etching on it or whatever, it takes twice as much machine time, which is your constrained resource. If you just looked at contribution margin and didn't look at the constraining resource, you would say, let's make more deluxe sets. It contributes more towards fixed costs and profit. But because it uses more constraining resource, I think we'll see a different answer. So you just take your contribution margin and divide it by the hours of constrained resource, which gives you contribution per limited resource, and $20 versus $30. We would want to make as many standard sets as the market can bear. Or first you have to say capacity or the market, whichever is less. And then whatever's left over after that, you would then put towards deluxe. Okay? So you would make as many of the standard until either you have no more capacity or you have no more market, one of those two things, before you'd switch over to deluxe. Now your other choice is if the market is out there, maybe you want to increase your capacity. Because this is still a positive contribution margin that you want to try to take advantage of. But within your constraints, that's how you would go about it. So let's say we can increase the capacity. You can see that if the market can bear it, you're getting $6,000 incrementally for standard sets for that incremental capacity.